Welcome to the channel or welcome back to the channel. Money shame is one of the quietest kinds of shame. It often lives beneath the surface, showing up as self-doubt, comparison, or the feeling that we should be further along than we are. So for many of us, money shame doesn't come from doing something wrong. It comes from surviving. So from learning early that money meant safety, approval, or belonging. So if you've ever felt embarrassed about how much you make, how much you owe, or how long it is taking you to feel financially secure, there is nothing wrong with you. Most of us didn't consciously choose our beliefs about money. We absorbed them from family, from culture, from stress and fear. We learned what was considered enough. We learned what was praised, and we learned what was judged or hidden. So over time, money stopped being just a practical tool and started feeling like a reflection of who we are. But those beliefs were learned, and what is learned can be questioned. So money reflects systems, timing, access, health, education, and opportunity. It does not measure intelligence. It does not measure effort, and it does not measure your value as a person. Your worth was never created by money, and it cannot be taken away by it. You were worthy before your first paycheck. You are worthy regardless of debt, income, or financial choices. And you remain worthy even while you're still figuring things out. The thing about shame, it doesn't motivate growth. It constricts it. It keeps the nervous system in survival mode. And this is where fear replaces clarity and self-criticism replaces curiosity. So when money feels tied to safety, it makes sense that the body responds with tension, urgency, or avoidance. So inner security, it isn't about having perfect finances. It's about trusting that you can respond to what's in front of you without abandoning yourself in the process. Now, releasing money shame doesn't mean pretending things are fine. It means choosing honestly without cruelty. It looks like noticing old patterns without turning them into proof that you're failing. It means allowing yourself to say, this is where I am right now, without attaching punishment to that truth. Shame, oh, it loosens when compassion enters the conversation. Okay, so inner security isn't certainty. It's a relationship with yourself that says, I can learn, I can adapt, I can ask for support. I can move forward one step at a time. You don't have to rush this process. You don't have to have it all figured out today. Security grows through small moments of self-trust, not through perfection. If you're listening to this and recognizing yourself, that awareness matters, you are not behind. You are not broken. You are responding to a world that often ties worth to productivity and income. And choosing to release shame, even slowly, even imperfectly, is a meaningful step toward inner security. So thank yourself for being here. Now, if this video resonated with you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more healing content. So until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.